Okay, so I'm going to give a brief introduction to what data logger that we're going to use for this. So we have the Hobo 120 UX 120, and this is kind of what it looks like here. And so it has 4 channels here that are labeled. We also have a USB port, and in the back we have our batteries. And so we don't have any batteries, so we're going to put that in. So pretty simple here. We have our 2 lithium-ion batteries here. All right, make sure everything goes into place. Clicks in. Right, so we have full power right here. And what we're going to be plugging into these channels are our temperatures. Our temperature probes are right here. And I've already gone ahead and labeled with a Sharpie on each end tick marks. And these tick marks correspond to our channels. And so one tick mark would go into one, and so forth. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug these in. So we find 2. Channel 3. And our channel 4 is right here. Okay, so now that we've made sure that these are all snugly plugged in, we can go ahead and connect our USB cable to our computer. Okay, so we can open up our software, which is HoboWare, and first thing we need to do is go to Device, Launch. And so we got a window here saying the logger's power has been reset, and that's because we put new batteries in. You can go ahead and click OK. Okay, and so we're going to get this window that gives us all the information about our logger. So we have our name, which it's populated with a serial number right now. You can also add any kind of description you want along with that. It gets you your battery level. And we also have our sensors in this window, which are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we have our labels here. You can also go in here, in the window here, and label 1, 2, 3, and 4. So below that window, you have our logging interval. And so for our logging interval for this, we want to do 5 minutes. Logging mode is fixed interval. And we can start logging at interval. And stop logging is when memory fills. You don't have to click anything else. There's an option to turn off the LCD, but we're going to leave the LCD on. And you can go ahead and click Delayed Start. And it says at the bottom of the screen that it is ready. And we can see our logger has a countdown on it as well, and that's when it'll start logging. Okay, and we can see on the screen here are our 4 channels. There's channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4, and they're all reading roughly the same number, which is room temperature. And so you can take, channel 4, and you can hold it for a while, and with any luck, it'll start warming up. Make sure I'm not sick. Yeah, so you can see channel 4 is starting to go up higher, and it'll keep going up as it reads my body temperature, but you get the picture.